Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to change Instagram caption font. First of all guys, you need to go on your browser and type for font style. Then you need to choose the first selection. Tap on it and now you need to add text, for example. Now you need to scroll down and just scroll down and choose a font. For example, use this one. I need to select it now and go on cut, then get back to your Instagram, go on your profile section and then tap on the plus icon on your right upper side, choose for post. Now make a photo, for example, go down, write a caption, for example we'll use this one, Harold, it's me again. Go on the text side on your right upper side, then you need to wait for loading, and now as you can see we have done it. Thanks guys for watching, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.